Today we're going to be straightening a frame rail on a 96 Chevy Silverado pickup. It was hit in the back and the bumper doesn't fit well anymore. It actually sags down a little bit and you can see it's buckled right here. So let me get everything set up and then I'll show you how we're going to straighten it. So I'm not sure if you can see everything exactly clear, but I have a hydraulic jack pushing up on the back of the frame and a chain holding the high part down. So this is going to be held down while that part of the frame is jacked up. In addition, I have a Porta Power on the inside pushing against that buckle. And let me show you that. And this is the Porta Power with a flange attachment pushing down on the buckle and the other part pushing up on the top of the frame rail. So let's give it a try. Remember, this is going to be pulling down, this is going to be pushing up, and this is going to be opening like that to try to get that buckle out of that frame. And we're going to do this all at once, pushing up, pulling down, and opening. Maybe some heat, and then I'm going to be whacking on this buckle on this side. It sort of popped out. So first, I'm going to be pushing up right here. And that's good for now. Now I'm going to work this a little bit and see what it looks like opening up on the inside. And that's good enough pressure right there. I'm going to start hitting it on the high spot out here with a big hammer. And there goes my light. Let me fix my light and I'll be right back. I fixed my light. Now, again, we're going to pull up right here while holding this down and putting a little more. So we're going to put a little more pressure on each thing. So a little more pressure here. This is stationary, and then we're going to put a little more pressure here. And now I'm going to hit the back side of that buckle, which is bubbled out. And now I'm going to put a little more pressure on this. Hopefully this Porta Power holds up. It's from Harbor Freight. And now I'm going to continue to put a little more pressure. And now I'm going to adjust this in a different spot. And that's what it looks like right there. When you operate it, it just pushes it out like that. It pushes down and pushes up. Put it in a slightly different spot. And now I'm going to add a little bit of heat. After I get this heated up, I'll be back. I heated just the buckling part, and I'll show you exactly where I did that. Right back here, there's a little bubble back here. I heated that up, and then under here, there's a little buckle. As I push down on this, it's coming away down here. So I'm going to hit that down there. And now more pressure here. And I'm just working things, you know, a little more pressure here, this is stationary, keep putting more here and working out those kinks. A little more heat under there. A little more pressure on the Porta Power, and now we'll hit this high spot in the buckle under here. And a little more pressure on this guy. But I'm going to move them in a new spot. And now from the underside, you can see that the frame rail is nice and straight on the bottom. It's also straight on the outside because there was a big bubble on the outside from this being buckled. It pushed the frame rail out on the outside, and that's nice and straight. And I'll set up the camera to show you a few views of that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and really just the basics of frame straightening. And if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.